Not sure how to use your Lennox AC Remote? Model number ZHJT03. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Lennox AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. The air swing button controls the direction of airflow by moving the louvers automatically. It helps distribute cool or warm air evenly across the room for better comfort. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. The hold button locks your current temperature and mode settings, preventing accidental changes. Pressing it again unlocks the remote and restores normal control. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. The lamp button turns the display backlight on or off, making the screen easier to read in dark or low light conditions. Press it again to toggle the light as needed. The clean button activates the AC's self-cleaning function, which helps dry moisture inside the unit to prevent mold, odors, and dust buildup. Press it again to stop the cleaning cycle if needed. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Lennox AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.